Hey guys, welcome back to our August speed reviews part 2. So let's just get into it. So also last month we tried out the Michaela and Glamlight part 2. Bitch. Okay. I don't know what the hell just happened. I did use that shade in my look, so I don't know if it's just pressed really weakly or something. I don't know. Anyway, this is the palette here. It's very pretty. It's very neutral and then has obviously its greens and stuff. But yeah, I did quite like this palette, but I'm just very confused as to what just happened. But anyway, I feel like I would really like to use this palette again and try out the greens and stuff because I did quite a neutral look when I used this. Sorry, I feel like I'm just really shocked what just happened. But anyway, I did like this palette. I do like my Glamlight shadows. So we tried out more of the MCO's beauty stuff, guys. I have pigment everywhere now. It's all on this stuff. Oh god. Anyway, so these are, it's literally everywhere. Anyway, these are the Galaxy lip glazes. I have 3 here. I have Supernova, Milky Way, and Moondust. I think it's something like, what's this one again? I feel like that's like strawberry or something. And then there's like grape and then vanilla. I do like these. I think they're really cute. They're little rollerball glosses. And I just feel like they're super cute. They remind me of like lip smackers or something like that. And yeah, I do quite like them. This is one of the cutest things. This is the little honey lip balm from MCO. And it comes with this little the little honey pot thing. And then you open it up. And it's just a little lip balm in there. And it smells like honey. It smells so nice. I really like honey. I think I really enjoy honey. If you don't like honey, you're not going to like this. Because it's very, very honey. But yeah, I do really like that. I think it's so cute. I just love how sweet it looks. And yeah, feels nice on the lips and all that stuff. I said it in my last video, like in part 1. But I did like a whole lip swatch video, like testing all of these products like out on the lips and things like that. So if you want to see any of them like in action, you can go and check out that video. I'm so mad that there's stupid pigment over everything. This is the Dessert Dream Tinted Lip Glaze. This one's in a butter cookie and it does smell really nice. I was hoping for Biscoff, but it's not Biscoff. It's very nice though. So I got that one. This is the Jelly Jam Lip Gloss. This one is in Lemon Grapefruit. I feel like this was the one I didn't like. Yeah, it smells like cleaning product, guys. Like, the lemon is too strong. So yeah, I'm not really a fan of that. But it's okay. This is the little honey lip oil. I've been using this one at work as well. And I do really like it. It smells the same as the lip balm. It's very honey scented. Yeah, it looks really nice on the lips. I really like that. I got 2 of the lip smoothies. We got one in pomegranate and one in tutti frutti. One of these I didn't like. That's pomegranate. That one smells really nice. I like that one. It must be tutti frutti that I don't like. Yeah, I hate that. I can't do it. Makes me feel sick. I don't know. Anyway, I do really like the pomegranate one, but the tutti frutti, it's just, the scent's just not for me. This is the, I'm so upset about this. I know I keep saying, but it's just anyway. This is the P. Louise Cheek of It liquid liquid blush. This one is in Peach of My Heart, and it is a really nice shade. It's kind of floral peachy shade. Yeah, it's really pretty. And I do quite like this formula. I think it's really nice. This is the MCO Swell Lip Gloss in the scent Vanilla Sponge Cake. And this smells real good. It's not so much vanilla sponge cake, but it's really nice, whatever it is. This is the lip liner from Glamlight. It's the Frosted Flakes one. That's the shade. They are quite pretty. And then the last bit of makeup. Actually, no, sorry, that's one other. This is the MCO Pop Gloss Super Balm. This one's in grape, and I really wanted to like this. It smells nice, but it's purple, and when you put it on your lips, it comes out purple. And I thought, oh yeah, it's fine. It'll be subtle. It was not subtle, and it made me look dead. So I wasn't a fan of that one. Like all of this stuff is new and now it's all covered in pigment. I need to like clean it all off my hands. I actually can't believe that happened. And then the last bit of makeup we tried was this one from MCO. This is the Cheeky Kiss Lip and Cheek Cream. I tried it, I like tested it on the lips, but I haven't used it on the cheek yet. But mine is in the shade Caramel. And it's meant to smell like chocolate, but from memory, I didn't. I'm just going to clean it and then we'll have a look at it. Yeah, it doesn't smell like chocolate. At least I can't smell it anyway. And that's the shade there. That's a really nice shade actually. So yeah, that was all of the makeup bits we tried. Now let's get on to like skincare and body care. This is the Soap and Glory Clean On Me Hydrating Body Wash. And I really thought I was going to like this, but I don't really love it. Like I don't love the smell. I didn't realise it was rose and bergamot. Like it is actually... I feel like it smells nicer in here than it does when I use it in the shower. Like it is nice. I love the breakfast scrub from them, so I feel like that was the scent I was expecting, like the little breakfast scrub scent, but I mean it is still nice. It's just I was expecting something a bit sweeter. Here's this from Bath and Body Works. This is the Mary Cherry Chia shower gel. I love Bath and Body Works shower gels. They're so good. Now you guys might be surprised because normally I hate cherry, but these I kind of like. I think it's because it has other stuff as well. It has maraschino cherry, pomegranate cider, and sugared musk. So the cherry isn't super prominent. So actually really, I love that. I think it's so nice. It's such a nice, warm, yummy scent, like perfect for like colder weather. This is the Hideaway Body Wash in Black Sugar. I love this so much. It smells incredible. Oh guys, it's so good. Yum. Yeah, no, that's amazing. I absolutely love the Black Sugar scent from Hideaway. It's one of my all-time favourites. We also used the Strawberry Mousse from Hideaway. This is in Pistachio Paradise. This one smells like Sol de Janeiro. Oh, it smells so good. Some of these are wet because I grabbed them out of the shower. Yeah, I love that. It's so nice. And the shower mousse formula is really nice as well. That was my first time trying it, so... Now it's all dirty because bloody hands are dirty. Ah! I'm not having a good day. So, I tried out this Milkshake Moisture Plus shampoo. It was alright. I think, like, I've tried the NAC one recently, and now I've tried this. In saying that, I've only used this once, so maybe I need to give it a bit more time. But I feel like nothing... I haven't really loved anything the way that I've loved my Goldwell Just Smooth, so maybe I just need to stay with what I know, you know, if it's not broken, don't fix it. I was really excited to try out the Milkshake stuff, but yeah, I don't know. To be fair, I did go into the hairdresser and I was like, what do you think like I should get? And these were the ones that they gave me. So maybe if I went on to like Look Fantastic or something and picked out my own, like what I would want, I'd like them better. So, because they gave me a Milkshake shampoo, but then they gave me Muck conditioner. This is the Deep Muck Ultra Soft Conditioner. So I don't know. This smells really nice though. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'm going to probably go and try and pick my own, like on the website or something, and then see how that goes. And then if all else fails, I'm just going to go back to my Goldwell. There's absolutely nothing wrong with my Goldwell. I feel like I just wanted to try some Milkshake stuff because I really liked... I love the Milkshake oil, hair oil, and I really like the deep conditioner that I've got. It's like a mask, like deep conditioning mask. And then I also really like the Milkshake like conditioning spray. So I feel like that's why I wanted to try the Milkshake stuff. But yeah, I don't know. I feel like I need to go and pick my own. Anyway, this is another shower gel from Bath and Body Works. This is in Raspberry Jam Donut and it smells exactly how you would expect. This smells so good. I love Bath and Body Works. They come out with the best scents ever. I actually love them so much and that smells incredible. This is from Lush. This is the Intergalactic Shower Gel. And how pretty is it? Like, it's actually so pretty. I got this in one of like the kitchen boxes. I don't subscribe to the Lush kitchen thing, but they had this thing on the website once where like you could buy a kitchen box like as a one-off. But yeah, this is like, he's like minty. It says peppermint will leave your skin feeling tingly fresh and your mind alert and active. And one, it looks so pretty, but also it smells so good. Yeah, super pepperminty. And when you're in the shower with this, it's just so refreshing. My camera's about to die. Okay, let me go charge my battery and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I think last we were talking about Intergalactic. Anyway, Next, we tried out the Monster Octopus Shower Jelly from Lush. Oh, this smells so good. Lather up with this lather up in whimsical suds of blackcurrant and vanilla absolute and feel ready to take on any treacherous voyage. I feel like this is the scent of Conga, if you guys have smelled that from Lush. Oh, it smells so good. And yes, there is a little octopus in there, which I will not get out because that's a mess. But anyway, super cute. We tried the Hideaway Whipped Soap. This is the Lychee Guava Sorbet. Oh, it smells so good and so fresh. Yeah, love that. And I really like the formula of the whip soap as well. We also tried the Sol de Janeiro, I don't know how to say this one, Beige Flor Elasticream. I love this scent. It's the Chorizo 68 scent. And yeah, I love this cream. Oh, it smells so good, honestly. Love that. And then I also used this little P. Louise lip sleeping mask and lip scrub in Rich and Ripe and Rosy Red. I think this is the apple one. Oh, it smells so incredible. Yum. I honestly want to eat it. Yum, that's really, really nice. So yeah, that was everything that we tried out this month, I think, or last month. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!